Hi everyone, this is me, Dark Exodus. Well, at least that's my name in the game. And well, I want to show you a guide for guild management, guild activity tracker, some kind for Palmon Survival by Lilith Games. It works for other games as well, but at least the column names here is designated for Palmon. So, well, let's get started. We have to put in some members, and I don't know, Robin, Vivi, Voila, BH, Verona. All right, cool. So we can give the ranks here. Let's say 5, 2, 3, whatever. Right? It's gonna sort it later. Um. Well, the first thing you have to do. So it's not gonna work. You press sort here, but it's not gonna work. So the first thing you gotta do is open this guild commands, admin setup, and you have to run the setup wizard if you don't know how to add triggers manually. So yeah, it's gonna tell you what time zone the server is on in the case of the for the triggers for you to set the time. So you make sure it's appropriate with your country or at least the time zone that you want. Okay, so yes, because it's correct for me. Okay, install backup, yes. So that is for sort to work. Weekly snapshot, yeah, sure. I want MVP to reset every Monday. Right, because Palmon server is Monday, so let's make it for my time. It's gonna be 7. Right? No, it's supposed to be Tuesday. That was a mistake. So I'll make it 11. Okay, or 23. Yeah. Anyway, this is just an example. Doesn't matter. Pardon. Pardon system, which is forget. I'm gonna show you later. I'm just gonna set it now. It's all Tuesday. Yeah. Tuesday, 7 a.m. Right. Weekly gacha, same thing. No, weekly gacha is Monday. For me, it's gonna be 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. Okay. Good work now. Setup complete. Yay. So now we can sort it. As you saw before, it doesn't work. It should work now. See? It sorted everything. I say sorted rows, blah blah. All right. So that's one thing. And the next thing I'm gonna show you on this page is let's see. I like all of them. I don't want to give them violations. We add someone else. Okay, so this got updated. Okay. And his name is now banned from Sandstorm because, well, he missed 5 Sandstorm. If you want to change this later on for the ban, you just, let me see. Yeah, this is the number you change 3 to 5 or whatever. So, how many times does he miss Sandstorm for it to get banned? And same thing for here. You just change the minimum score to add them in kick list. Okay. But maybe I'll set something up so you don't have to change it from there later. Okay. So the kick Usopp. And as you can see, kick history doesn't have his names, but suddenly added for Sandstorm 5, which is his violation. All right, and we're done in that tab. Next tab is the gacha. So, well, we have a lot of eligibility and priorities here. Let's test it out. Wait, I have to open my Discord first. Forgot. Okay. Uh, uh, eh, okay. Yeah, I made a lot of testing here, so please do not judge the netro fail. Right. So as you can see now, it will just rotate between anyone. VVBH dark, see? And it posted. This emoji is custom. Later on, I'll show you how to change it. So if you put airship has a reward requires power, which means only people who has this stack can win airship. right? And right now, no one is eligible. It's gonna show something like that. These are the priorities. So this priority is score of what, like that. See, no candidate for reward written with airship, and you can just add a reward somewhere like um Hito Nomi, right? Uh, and just wait for it. Everything takes a bit of time because, and if it doesn't, you just uncheck and then checks it again. Hey, well, that's Koala there. See, perfect. Nami, Verona, and now Koala is added. This used to be Robin, as you can see from the previous one. I didn't even pay attention to that. I forgot to check. So, well, now the setups. This is my webhook, but you should have your own. It's you need to fill it for it to post. Actually, sorry, we have to go back to members. Uh, Robin has one violation in Sandstorm. You remember the pardon system we set up? It's gonna be automated weekly, but in case you want to do it manually, there is in guild commands you can run pardon system. Right. So for Sandstorm, it's 4 weeks. So now she's 1 week clean. She's 2 weeks clean. She's now she is 3 weeks clean. 4 weeks. Now, if she does not make any violation on her fourth week, she's gonna get a pardon. So becomes 0 and it's gonna be posted here. All right. Cool, isn't it? Um so we finished that. What else? Reset config is here. You should not touch this. And if you wanna change your times, you just delete trigger and then run setup again. All right. So now set up Discord. This is where you put your webhooks. This is where you put your guild logo, basically. And this is role ID. But I haven't tested if you can just put at here, like at everyone, and then we'll attack everyone. I've never, let's test that now. I've never tried. Otherwise, you just put their ID and the code will. Oh yeah, sorry. So you see, I made a change. What I need to do is now reset config, and then I can post the gacha again. It takes a while. Wait for it, y'all. Oh, okay. Yeah, it does. So you just put the ad here. Sorry, that was something else. Add everyone. All right, cool. And this is the custom emojis. Basically, I have my own custom emoji set up in the Discord. You have to set up your own for it to work. Okay. These are kick messages. These are pardon messages. You can change this any way you like. This is the pardon rules. So you see, basically, for Sandstorm, you have to be clean for 4 weeks and you get pardoned on the 5th week, and so on. You can change these numbers. Preferably, don't touch this. Do not touch this. Do not touch this. Unless you change the Sandstorm numbers. Yeah. So you can touch this. Okay, you can touch all of this. This is most of it is for the front end. Later on, I'm gonna make this the formula read from this letter. Okay. So let's see. What else? What else? System. You should not really touch any of this except reset cache, which you'll have in guild commands anyway. So yeah, that's it. We're done. Right? Well, if you got any questions, ask. Let me know. I'm gonna put my Discord in the description, and the template for this spreadsheet also in the description. You can ask me any questions from the Discord. If anyone likes any customization for other games or such things, I can do it for you, but not for free. This is only for Palmon because it takes a lot of time to make changes. For certain games, I have to change a lot of things, a lot of the logic. If the logic is completely different, I have to change a lot of things. Well, I used to use this, but in case anyone is curious, I opened the wrong tab just now. What that tab was is the system that I currently use. So it's more UI friendly. It's better looking. Okay, so these are the members, and it has the same functions. Basically, you kick push up, and gonna push up is here. You can change the display. Rank at kick is 3. If you try to add him back, if you put his UUID and you try to add him back, a member with the same name, um, but it prioritizes your UUID, then it will notify you. So, for example, what's up? See, you get notified here. I did not put the UUID, so I forgot. Is it UUID? Yeah, it is UUID. Oh, right. One more thing, I forgot to score Nami. Should be score Nami. There's Nami here. Yeah. So, oh, we have a lot of tab with the bot commands, but I'm gonna show you the full version. Okay, so this is where your guild logo goes. You set up in the Discord tab. Anyways, back to the Discord cards. So this is the same, but well, it's instant. And if you use this, it can actually print on your Discord the card itself. Like someone can just put the commands, but and then it print out the card itself. I did not set up the command yet for this, as you can see. But it works the same way. This is all the tabs we have. This is all the front end we have. For disciplinary, if we put a guy with tons of violations, and his SS bound and tons of violations. I don't know. Yeah, you can see the guild health change, and well, you can see the disciplinary list now, and we even have gacha system. So how this works is, you can put the this is purely aesthetics. You can put any ranks. You can put tag, which I will show you how to set up the tank. This is for priority. You can give more chances to people who, well, certain rank or has certain tags. You know. Okay. So I'm gonna delete this. And automation is automated. You can change the server or local time, which is the same at the moment. Uh, I didn't really set it up for this exact template. If I make it public, though, I'll make it fully functional for everyone. Right now, it's only functional for my guild. So you see, you say Hito Nomi and save changes, and it's gonna roll for you. What? Is no one eligible? What is that? What was that? That was a bug. Oh no, I did not. That was completely my bad. I forgot to press add, which is a very simple thing to do, right? Supposedly. I did not press it. You can see Hit Autonomy won by Dark Exodus. Totally random. Uh, there's 15 active violations, which means there are 15 instances of violations. Most is by Sanji. But yeah, you set it up the same way. This is the weeks, and this is the what day and time you want it to schedule. And this is the configuration. This is personal. It's available to many members. You can. It takes your device time and okay. This you need to change it here. This server time zone, which follows the guild server time. Okay, which is used to set up any of the automation. Yeah, this all follows the guild server time. Okay. Tags, like I said, you can change the name, you can change the logo here, you can change the tags here, you can add new one, you can put colors. It's not final. I can make it all looks way better, but I don't care because I'm using it myself right now. Uh, uh, well, there's also the rules and scoring. It's almost the exact same as the spreadsheet. It's just faster and more friendly. You can also import from spreadsheet. You just basically copy your tab, and I think you can go to ChatGPT to organize it if you want. Yeah. but this is how it works. You can just do it. Anyway, there's backup, there's restore, and we're done. There's also theme languages, a lot of languages. Uh, what else? That's all. Yeah. There's member details, Discord verified. This is their UUID, which is totally random. And the record, Linux, SVS points, and some. This should say GVG points. I don't know why I say skills. I should change it. It's probably in the codes. All right. Well, thank you for everyone who watched. I'm gonna peace out. That's all. Remember, if you have any questions, let me know. And for this user-friendly website that I can host, I don't know if I'm gonna make it available or not for free or not. But let me know if you're interested. If there's a good number of people interested, I can make it available. But if I have to host it, it's not gonna be for free. It does require a lot of effort to code this. I just use it for myself for fun. But the spreadsheet, hey, it's totally free, and I'll post the template down below in the descriptions. You can use it whenever you want. If you need any help at all, just ask me. As long as it doesn't require heavy customization, you just need help or instruction, whatever. Yeah, that's totally fine. So, well, bye bye all.